Welcome to ITEC 136 Principles of Programming. In this lecture, we are going to talk about string method. There are many string methods. Why? Because Python strings are objects, so each string instance have its own attributes and method. Here are some of the common string methods you might use in this class. Find. There's a three variation of find. Find substring. It will start finding the substring in string. So if I have a string equal to ITEC 136 rocks, then to use this method, that would be string.find. Maybe I find looking for, say, ITEC. It will start from the beginning and look for the substring ITEC. Find substring start. Instead of start at 0, it will start at this index. And finally, you have a find substring start to end. The first two find method is from beginning to the end or starting point to the end. You can also specify the end where you will stop searching until the n-1 index. The rFind is a right-hand side find. So the find by itself is going from left to right, looking for the character from left to right. And the rFind is looking the character from the right to left. So it will return the rightmost index where the substring item is found. Index, it will give you similar to the find, but it will raise an exception when the substring is not found. So the index, I can say string.index. What is the index of, say, R? It will give me what is the index here. The count, it will return a number of times the character X occur in the string. Upper, lower, as the name implies, convert the string into uppercase or lowercase. Capitalize, return a string with the first character capitalized and the rest lower. Title, strip, L strip, and R strip. Strip is strip all the leading and trailing white spaces. L strip only for the left trailing white spaces remove, and R strip for the right trailing white spaces remove. So, and finally replace. This may be coming handy. Replace old with the new. Return a copy of the string with all occurrence of the substring O replaced by the new string. So here's a sample phrases. One day I will have 3 goats, 6 horses, and 9 llamas. And I can replace these 3, 6, and 9 into Spanish word. And let's see how this works in the program. I had this here, and when I run this, you can see one day I will have trace goat, CAs, horses, and nueve llamas. It replaced the 3 with the trace, 6 with the CAs, 9 with nueve. What else you can do with the string method? Well, let's look at some example. All uppercase letter. So let's look at this example here. I have this, and I set the breakpoint here, so you can see the output one by one. Let's go debug that and go to the console. String is ITEC 136 rocks. All upper. Let's go to the console. Here's the all uppercase of the string. All lower. Here's the all lowercase. And capitalize. With the capitalize, the first letter is capitalized. The rest is a lowercase. Find if ITEC is in a string. Yes. And the find, return the index. 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 The And in this case, find the index is 0, the uppercase I tag. But if I'm looking for lowercase I tag, it will return -1 because lowercase I tag is not in the string here, even though I had the same letter but in the different cases. And find from the right to the left if exponential point is in the string. Actually, I'm sorry. Find if the exponential point in the string, and that is 13. And then, how about if I do rfind? The rfind is 15. So this is the 13 character, and this is the 15 character if I'm going from the right. Split the string. We'll talk more about split in a second. Split, it will take the string and then split into words. And finally, you can actually combine this method. I split the string. With the C, so that's a two C as a denominator. So I say I tag rock, C is gone, and then I do the lower and then split with the C. If I take this as a lowercase and then split, it will split on the C on the I tag and C on the rock. Now I have 3 different words. How about this? And let's try this in the PyCharm also. I will use a debugger and debug this program so you can see line by line execution. So this is my string SS, hello world, with the padded space before and after. You can see hello world for the SS. How many L's are here? SS.count L. Hello world has 3 L's, so it should show 3. And then I want to strip and then add the asterisk before and after the strip. It will strip the white spaces. And then you add the asterisk before to after. L strip only strip the left white spaces, and the right white space is still there. And the R strip, it will strip the right but not the left. You can see that the left white space is still there, but the right white space is gone. And finally, I can replace the O with asterisk. So the hello, the O become 3 asterisk, world become, the O in the world become 3 asterisk. What are the output? Banana bread is a food that capitalize. Food.find NA. Try yourself. Find the answer to this, and I can run this in my example. Again, I will using debugger. Food.capitalize. It's only capitalize the first word. Let me go to the console. So you can see it's a banana bread with a big B. Where's the E in the banana bread? What is the index? The index is 9. How about NA? So NA will be right here, 0, 1, 2. So it should be 2. How about B? The B, the first letter is a B. How about E? E will be E in the bread. Then this has an index of 9. How about finding the E? The NA. NA is the R found the NA is 4, and R found of B will be 7. And finally, index of E, that's a 9. try yourself and see if you get the same answer. So how to find the letter R in the ITAC 136 rocks? Find the index. A lot of time, if you notice that the string method, the name is very like trivial or obvious. If I want to find the index, that really tell you the method you want to use. If message is I tag 136 rocks, if this is my message, you can do message dot find the letter R, or you can do message dot index letter R. The only thing different is index will return error if it doesn't find the what you're looking for, where find it will return -1 if it doesn't find what you're looking for. Both will return the index if you find it. How do you convert the string into all lowercase? Again, take a look lower. So your message is I tag 136 rocks. Oops. Then message dot lower will convert the string into lowercase. Thank you.